Hi, this is Rad from MR Sportscars. Here we have a 911 Turbo Convertible 997 Gen 1.5, which is a very special car. It has the Mezger 3.6 twin turbo, which was from the Gen 1 997, but the PCM3 updated satnav air conditioning unit from the Gen 2 cars. Very rare car. There was only around 200 spec'd with a Tiptronic box. So as a 5-speed auto, it has Tiptronic shift buttons to change the gears up and down manually on the sports steering wheel with the round centre there. It also has sport chrono and switchable suspension, and also the sport button there as well. Now the seats on this, on the driver's side it's got a memory function for the mirrors and for the seat position, but also they're full electric seats, so it has lumbar support, and there are 12-way electric seats. They were also specified from the factory with red stitching, and that's also for the rear seats as well. So they're red stitching on the black leather. The seat belts are also red, which really sets it off, especially with the roof down. With the rest of the car being Schwarz, so just gloss black, which was actually a special order colour on this car, according to the specification sheet. That's with the wing up. Just goes up a little bit at around, I think, 70 or 75 miles an hour. The diamond cut wheels, turbo 3.6 forged alloy wheels, are absolutely stunning, as are the Michelin Pilot Sports, which are all N-rated. They're all fine. Discs and pads were recently changed at Porsche, so there's no lip whatsoever on those discs. There's the wheels. Such a fantastic car. 911 turbo wide body, the last with the Mezger engine. Gloss black, really sets off with the red tail lights and all the red detailing on the inside. It's just a fabulous place to be in the summer. I'll show you the engine. So it says 473 horsepower. It's a twin turbo with variable vane technology. They actually call it variable turbine geometry here on the air intake. This car's just been serviced by Porsche Care, Porsche specialists in Todd's Green. I'll just show you how that the hood works as it should. Actually, I'll do it with the key. So this car had, with the key, you could control the roof. So you hold down this button here. So that's going up as it should. You just hold down the button and it goes all the way, even with the car obviously turned off. There we go. So that's got a glass heated rear screen, which is in fantastic condition as well. I'll just press the button again to make it go down. So on a hot day, you don't have to get in the car to open the roof. You can just do it with the button. So that's a really neat feature on this. And it puts the windows up when it's done. The paintwork is just stunning. mirror finish has been recently machine polished. So it also has bi-xenon headlights, which were standard on the turbo. Daylight running lights as well. Just start it up and I'll show you the I don't know whether it will show us the oil if it's warmed up enough. So it has 6459 miles, 595 miles, with a full Porsche service history, main dealers, and only one previous owner. So let's do the oil. Here we go, it's going to go through and run to check that. So that's good, it's up to level. This car also has the Bose system, which I think in this car is 11 speakers. So it has a subwoofer down here, as well as all the speakers in the doors and on the base of the screen and in the back. So there you have it. If you're interested in this car, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.